From beyond the screen, a giant hand reached out, as if reality itself decided to cross its own boundaries. You found yourself hugging a tiger, maybe even a polar bear, and for a moment, none of it had to make sense. Aerial equilibrium. You float in midair, weightless, as if gravity forgot about you. Cars were no longer just cars. They changed. They transformed. So today, we're learning how to create each effect step by step. Start by going to Stock Media and selecting AI Media below. Next, under Video Inspiration, type giant handle, left hoodie, into the search bar. A wide range of options will appear for you to choose from. Select the one you prefer and wait for it to finish downloading. Once it's ready, a box will appear below. Click the icon inside it to choose your picture, then click Open to proceed. After that, another box will appear where you can adjust the picture mode or change the aspect ratio as desired. Click Submit. Next, move to the left and click Generate. You'll see a generating icon displayed above showing the progress. Wait until it reaches 100% completion. Once the process is complete, you can click Go to View or My Files to access the generated content. From there, preview the result as shown. What an incredible AI feature! To try another reality blending feature, return to Video Inspiration and search for Powerful Car Transformer. A variety of options will appear, and I selected the first one. Next, choose the same picture again and adjust the settings as shown. After that, click Submit, then select Generate, just as demonstrated. Now wait for the generation process to reach 100% completion. Once it's done, click Go to View or My Files to preview the generated content. Next, return to Video Inspiration and search for Brave Embrace. You'll see several options featuring different animal embraces such as a tiger, polar bear, cat, and others. I selected the first option, then click the icon below to choose the same picture. After that, click Open to make adjustments and then submit it. Finally, click Generate just as shown earlier. Again, wait until it reaches 100% completion, then preview the result. You can create anything with this simple template. Lastly, go back to Video Inspiration and search for Balloon Head. You will see several options to choose from, and I selected the first one. After that, click the icon below to choose the same image. Next, click Open to make the necessary adjustments and submit it. Finally, click Generate just as demonstrated earlier. Now wait patiently until it reaches 100% completion. Then click Preview to watch the final result. These AI features are very powerful because they allow you to transform a single image into multiple creative outputs without stress. You've seen how I was able to use the same picture to generate different AI reality blending templates, and they all look realistic and amazing. If you'd like to try out Filmora and start creating amazing videos, check the link in my description. That's where you can download Filmora directly. So that's it for this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.